Regular walking may ease Parkinson's symptoms. According to a study published in the July 2, 2014 online issue of Neurology, the medical journal of the American Academy of Neurology, people with mild to moderate Parkinson's disease who walk regularly for exercise improve their motor function, mood, tiredness, fitness, and some aspects of thinking abilities. The study included 60 people who walked for 45 minutes at a moderate effort 3 times a week for 6 months while wearing heart rate monitors. The participants' motor function, aerobic fitness, mood, weariness, memory, and cognitive ability were also assessed. Brisk walking increased motor function and mood by 15%, attention/response control scores by 14%, fatigue by 11%, aerobic fitness, and gait speed by 7%, according to the research. According to the research, brisk walking improved motor function and mood by 15%, attention/response control scores by 14%, fatigue by 11%, aerobic fitness and gait speed by 7%.
Thank you for watching. Hope you will like the video I created for you. Please support me, click on subscribe. Then click on the bell. Please tap the below to view videos of the same series.